Reaching the second city on our road trip, Split was a very pleasant mix of ancient architecture and coastal vibes, with loads of hidden alleyways and beautiful buildings. But of course, the main focal point was the amazing Diocletian's Palace and the Cathedral of St. Dominus. Built in the 7th century AD, it is the oldest Catholic church in the world that still remains in use. It was definitely a sight you can't miss. After a quick bye, we went around the city walls to explore the touristic waterfront. However, we were extremely tired, so after a few hours we turned in, as the next day we had something very exciting planned. Just arrived on the Bull Lagoon and it was a very bumpy ride. It was pretty crazy because there were 2-meter waves, and if we're staying here any longer it's gonna turn into 3 or so like that. My hair is probably a mess. And ooh, that's a sea cucumber. Close. So gross. So gross. So we're gonna do a bit of snorkeling here. There's a lot of sea urchins, so we have to be careful where we step. And apparently on this island there's only one person living here, and it's an old man, and he has a problem with drones. He apparently shot one once because he was pissed at it, so I don't wanna really give it a go, but we'll see. For now we're on Hell Island, and it's a really pretty island. We've swam a lot and we saw a lot of sea urchin and sea cucumber and fishes and starfish. It was really fun. And next stop is Var Island, where it's an old town we're going to visit. And afterwards the last stop is going to be Pakrinsky Island, which is a complex of islands we're going to see. So yeah, I'm enjoying this a lot. up the fortress. It's on a hill and it's quite steep and it's hard to climb. We stopped for lunch and now it's really hard to climb. But I think the view is totally worth it.
Croatia was the crown jewel at the end of our tour. With the most charming streets and amazing views of the islands, it's impossible not to feel absorbed by its beauty.
We just came back from our trip right now and we're going back to the car where we left it, and we have about a 3-hour drive to Dubrovnik where we're gonna stay for about 2 days and see everything we can. The trip was amazing, so I really recommend going with the Blue Cave tours. Unfortunately we couldn't see the Blue Cave because there were too many waves and they were kind of big. So it was closed for today, but it's okay because we got to spend a bit more time on the rest of the islands, on Hvar, Paklinski, Hell Island, and a bunch more, and it was so fun.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned.